Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the stay command in Kingdom Come Deliverance II. So first, you have to find your doggy. For example, you can press the X button to call him, or press the X button to make him follow you. Pressing the X button will just make him come to you. Here, from now on, you can press left Alt while hovering your cursor over him. Then press the number 3 on the keyboard, and here you can press number 3.
Stay.
Now the doggy will stay in the place when you left him, and will not come to you unless you engage in a fight, and he will be nearby to see it. That's it for this video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks for watching.